Let me show y'all this, fam. My guy, he just laid this one. We're working, he doing horizontal. And as y'all see, he just laid that one in. That was a nice weld. And he's working on tying them in. He's gonna start overhead and vertical, and he's been doing flat. So it's good to utilize your time. That way, you know, you'll be used to welding in and out positions. Yeah, not well when you in. When you start here, come back up and you're in. That'll be your last one. On them vertical up and overhead. He's killing several birds in one stone, fam. It's already dropping. Oh, watch it. One bad at all, man. That's actually a good one. So you see how it gets so saved before you get here. Actually, forward. I had a thing. You know what I'm saying? Like literally it ain't that much. So this picture doing 5 E's, keep it tight. So that's how that's the first thing you just the play get through. Now your next one on that side, that side. You see what I'm saying? You doing good. That was damn good. Let me show y'all this roof, fam. He didn't do bad at all, family. He didn't do bad at all. Practice make perfect. He finna kill it here in a minute. Thanks for checking in, fam. Thanks for checking in. Salute, salute. What's up with it, fam? Trying to get this 19-year-old right, fam. About to change the game for him. He got an opportunity to make 60K as soon as he finished this welding course. Hey, drop it, ain't it? The youngster dropping butter, family. Woo! And that's the what? That's the third, right? Okay, that's the third. So now you got 1, 2, 3, and that's the test. So I'm actually having them do it like a pre-test because it's pretty much the test is a number 5 to 6 welding beads. So he's practicing on this groove T-joint that we made. By the time he fill that all the way up, he'll be good. Yeah, you'll start right here, start there, and then right beside that weld that you put in, and then beside that one, which is going to be cornered right here in the center. Yeah. Yep. It should be flat all the way across. Hell nah, you can't beat that 1960 a year. Shit, you can't beat that at 50. Hell. He got a great opportunity. And this opportunity is not only for him, too. I want to say that. It's for anyone who wants to have an opportunity for this job in Little Rock area. They're doing uphill and overhead flux score testing. So if you can fit and weld, you can start out at 60K and above. So as a beginner, it's great. If you seasoned, then you can probably get a little bit more for those who are seasoned, but they willing to open up the door for a beginner. It said Lexicon, Prospect Steel, Custom Metals here in Little Rock, Arkansas, that whole umbrella. They are giving welders a great opportunity to become a part of their team. If you can pass the 1-inch uphill and 1-inch overhead flux score test, they're going to start you out making 20 above. If you're a welder fitter, you can make more. Like, it's great opportunities. I'm excited for you, fam. Once you get this, fam, make sure you utilize it. Get it all. When you learn it, well, step on it, like they say. Step on it, family. Once you learn to step on it, put a chokehold on it. All right, where your magnet at? That's the easy way to do it. So you got one more, don't you? Yep. Woo! Bam. He killing this little practice test we got him going. He killing it. He got one more, and that'll be 6, right? Yep, 6 passes. So normally on a 3/8 coupon, which is the test that we do here, it's about 5 to 6 passes, depends on your speed. When you're doing this 1-inch coupon, you're gonna triple it up. It's probably gonna be anywhere from, I don't know, 15 to 20 passes. I haven't counted it completely yet, but I will give you an update on how many it is. But it's still depends on the person. Depends on how fast or slow you're going. It might throw an extra bead or two in there. Actually, if you want to, you can start on that one, but it's time to go. You can start. You can wait for tomorrow unless you want to start doing the first one. That's fine. Check you out, fam. That's it, fam. That's it. Damn good. That's the test. That's like the cap. You know what I'm saying? So we'll clean that up and get this prepared. We'll do both of them. The uphill and the overhead. We'll make them. And once you're ready, I can do this one. I know you're going to do that the same way. Like, it's really simple. Like, overhead to me is like flat. Like, it's really simple. Once you see it, and you can, ain't nothing to it. To me, the overhead is simpler than the up, in my personal opinion. it's just uphill. Once you can see it, though, you know. But yeah. You got the angle where you can hold it and see. Yeah, I think you'd be ready to do both of them tomorrow, actually. Because just think, that was one, and all you got to do is do 5, 6, same thing to the up, and you done. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Check him out, fam. He did real well. Trying to get some of that lighting in there, y'all can see it. He did well, fam. I'm proud of him. It's about that time to go and wrap it up so you can go and start cleaning. Yeah, he did real well, man. I'm proud of him. I'm proud of him. He's doing well. So we're gonna clean his coupons up so he can take his test tomorrow, which is a 3/8 coupon, to get him prepared for the 1-inch coupon, which is back there. So, but we practice on these, and as you see, as you build this up, when you come around, and by the time you can get this filled up, family, you done been a master of the technique. Once you got that part, now it's all about, you know, critiquing everything. But he got it, fam. He got it. Like he has got it. Let's go check out Miss Tina real quick. She's doing some MIG welding. Well, take your time. Stay in the center. Make sure you hit the top and the bottom, Miss Tina. You just on the top right now. Stay in the center, yeah. Stay in the center and hit the top and the bottom. You on the top right now. Stay in the center. You on the top again. You on the top again. You just gave up there. Yeah.
Well, I was holding it. Okay.
You got to be. See, you rolled the top of the wall.
Okay, I need to stay more like this.
You got to stay down. I was trying to tell you that. You rolled all the way on the top, but hey, you gave it a good shot for today. Okay. It's time to ride though. We got 1 minute. Okay. 1 minute. Let's ride. You done. We'll catch up the rest tomorrow. Y'all be blessed, fam. I'm about this thing. Hog on.